NC ball valve 3-in-1 processing machine. New R&D machinery equipment. Performance. One machine can surpass 3 traditional machines, effective, stable, and time-saving. Processing order. Rough car, spherical outside diameter. Precise car, spherical outside diameter. Both in camphor. Channel. Production rate. A 3/4 ball valve takes 65 seconds per piece. Specialty. Spindle speed, cutting speed, and feeding one-finger touch. NC monitor easily controlled. Dimensions: 3/8 to 2 inches, 2 1/4 to 4 inches, or according to customer requirements. NC ball valve 3-in-1 processing machine.